Hi everybody. Today I am going to show you how to fix a headphone set of Xbox One or Xbox 360. This style is quite expensive, so it is worth to fix it. All we need to have a small screwdriver, small drive face, and soldering to fix the headphone set. So first of all, we need to check the both side of the wire. Most of a problem coming from the pull the wire, and this will make cutting inside the wire or inside the two side of it. So this is the headphone. So I remove the screw from here and open this to check the connection here. The connection here, it is okay, there's no problem in it. And the other side is this, so it is easily, you can open it. Just try to, by using the screw, try to move to open this cover, and then you will find here 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. You need to remove it to open the headset, and then now the electronic card. So this wire should connect it in a very good way to this head. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 color wire. The copper color number 1 here, and then with a white wire here, and a black wire here, third one, and finally the blue wire. So I'm going to use the solder to fit this wire to this head, and then I'll come back. Now I fixed the wire, and we want to just put the cover and finish. So this will come over the wire now. And this is the final one.
Nice screw.
And this is the cover. See, I missed this one, I lost it. Now the headphone, and I'm sure it's going to work. I hope this video was helpful. Some people who want to fix this headset phone, and sorry for inconvenient thing. This is my first video actually to show you something. It could be benefit for some people, hopefully yes, and thank you very much for watching. Many thanks.